Hi guys, welcome back to another timeless reading. So what is important that I need to know today? Know that insecurity is one thing that can block us from going ahead, also not trusting those around you. Remember that the universe is based on not only energy but trust and belief. Save your strength and energy, you are going to need it. Also know that dreams and actions are needed for manifestation. Fear and insecurity basically goes hand in hand. And those two disturbances or distractions can actually block manifestation regardless of what you are looking at. Thank you guys.